What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making salt and pepper chicken wings. I'm so excited. I know you guys are gonna love this video, love this recipe, so we're just gonna jump right into it. So this recipe, y'all, is gonna be all in the marinade. So first what I did is I took some sherry cooking wine. I did 2 tablespoons of that into my clean chicken. Then you want to go in and shave about 3 to 4 garlic cloves, and you also want to take about 1 inch of ginger root and grate in the ginger root. I didn't have any to put in there, so I didn't use that in this recipe, but ginger root is what's going to take this recipe to the next level. After that, I went in with the salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning by Kinder's. I love this seasoning. It has just the right amount of salt, so you don't have to go in and add any more after this. I was pretty generous. I did 2 teaspoons of that, and then I mixed everything together. So you want to really mix it in well. You could do it with your hands, but for the sake of this video, I did it with tongs, and you want to let it marinate for 30 minutes. Alright, after the chicken is finished marinating, you want to go ahead and start breading the chicken. You could use flour, but for this recipe, I use potato starch. Because potato starch is really going to give it like that crunchy, like almost like the Asian tempura style, like fried chicken. Like that's how it's going to be. I fried the chicken for 30 minutes. I made sure not to stuff the pot so that the chicken wings don't stick together. And then once I was done with that, I set them to the side to cool off. After you take it out the fryer, you want to get a pan ready to start sauteing all the vegetables with the chicken. I added grapeseed oil, scallions, white onions, green and red peppers, and chopped garlic. You want to let that simmer for about 5 minutes or so, and then I threw in a little salted butter just to give it a little extra something. You know, you can't go wrong with a little bit of butter. Now, for the secret ingredient, you want to add some chicken bouillon. Just add 1 chicken bouillon packet, and that's going to take this meal to the next level, trust me. And I went ahead and added a little bit of more salt, pepper, garlic seasoning. Dump all your chicken in what we just did in the pan and start sauteing everything together. So you're going to watch everything just caramelize with the fried chicken. The chicken is not going to get soggy or anything. This is just going to help with the flavors to mesh together and all of that good stuff. You want to saute them for like 10 minutes and boom, your wings is ready. This recipe is going to be a game changer for your next party. Trust me. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what you thought of this video. Let me know if you tried the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I love y'all. Till next time.